Hello friends, welcome to Mansi's kitchen and today I am going to make eggless rose cupcakes. You have eaten chocolate cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes and many more, but trust me, try this once at your home. Definitely you will love it. These are mouth-watering and yummy. If you really like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Subscription of channel is absolutely free. If you subscribe to my channel, then you can get all my recent updates. You can also share this video with your friends and family on Facebook and WhatsApp. So let's start making rose cupcakes. First, in a large bowl, I am going to take 1/4 cup of refined oil. Here I am using refined oil, but you can also take melted butter. To this, I am going to add half cup of powdered sugar. You can take sugar as per your taste. Mix it. You have to mix it in a same direction and make it smooth and creamy. Now sugar and oil mixed well and it's creamy and smooth. Now I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. To this I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Again mix it with the help of spatula. Use cut and fold method and mix it. To this I am going to add milk. Take the milk as per the quantity of your all-purpose flour and mix it. Now it's so lumpy, I am going to add more milk. And you can see the consistency. Total I have added 1 cup of milk. Now I am adding few drops of rose essence. If you don't have rose essence, then you can add few drops of rose water here and mix it. For giving the nice pink color to our cupcakes, here I am adding pinch of pink color, but this is completely optional. If you don't want to add this food color, then you can avoid it. And mix it in the same direction. This is mixed and you can see the color, such a beautiful color has come. Grease the cupcake molds with some oil. And pour the mixture into it. Make it even. Fill half of the mold with the batter because it will rise up while baking. Tap it like this to remove all the air bubbles. Now I am gonna bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes in oven. After 20 minutes, our cupcakes are perfectly baked. Let's check it. Take a toothpick and insert into it. If it comes out clear, they are perfectly baked. As you can see, toothpick is clear. Now allow it to cool down. Here I am taking whipping cream. To this, I am adding few drops of rose essence. And here I am taking rose syrup. This is easily available in supermarket. Add this into it and mix it. It is mixed and our frosting is ready. Here I am taking this rose tip and I am adding few drops of red food color into this icing bag and spread it like this so that you can get the nice beautiful red color on the petals. Spread it like this. Take a glass or a cup and put your icing bag like this. Now fill it with whipping cream. Do it like this. Squeeze it, and this is ready. Our cupcakes have cooled down now. Spread the icing. Like this. I will do the second one. These all are done. And here is my piping bag. Now I am going to make roses on it. Do it like this first to make a base. Again like this. Now start making petals. Like this. Repeat the procedure again and again. Make the rose as large as you want. Like this. This is ready. Now I am doing the second one. Again, repeat the procedure and make the petals. Now the second one is done. Like this I will do the all. Here I am having this rose jelly. I will garnish the roses with this. Put it on the top. Our perfect eggless rose cupcakes are ready and the nice fragrance of rose is coming. These are looking perfect, yummy and tempting. Try this at your home. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.